Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily make sections like these in your YouTube homepage. So in order to do this, first you'll have to head on to your profile icon right here, and now you have to go on to YouTube Studio. Once you're in here, you'll have to go on to the section called customization, which appears on the left side of your screen. So you'll have to click on it, and now you will have this section called featured sections, customize layout title sections. Now you can in order to add a section, you can click on this add section, and now you will have these options like this. I will just add this like multiple playlist, and then add some playlists, and let me show you how you can easily add that to there. So as you can see, now that's added here. I can also rearrange this like this. Now maybe I can add this as top. So that's it. That's how you can do it. So after you have done customizing, you can click on this publish, and now that will be applied to your channel. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.